I'm Chris Shattuck, and this is Troubleshooting Module Installation and Configuration. In this chapter, we install the Media module in order to add a central asset repository to our site. Along the way, we run into several common module installation and configuration issues and solve most of them. In the last chapter, we explored several tools to integrate CSS with our site without making adjustments to the theme directly. So we used a module called CSS Injector to add CSS conditionally to certain pages, and we used a plugin for the Firefox browser called Firebug, which allows us to investigate any element on the page and figure out what styles are associated with it, and also pick a good selector so that when we create our own styles, we can apply it to just the element we want to adjust. In this chapter, we're going to begin by completing our updating process of the tour guides by adding images to the other guides and seeing how their pages look. And then we're going to move on to adjust the look and feel of the general template of the site. Okay, let's go ahead and adjust the other tour guides. We have Phil Terry already set. Let's go ahead and grab the others. I'm going to click on Find Content in the shortcut bar. And then I'm going to do a filter here for all nodes of the guide type. Then I'm going to click Filter. Okay, and I'm going to click Edit next to Joey Smitty. Now we've added the new image field, and so all we need to do is upload our image. So I'm going to scroll down to Image and click Browse. And I'm going to go ahead and select Joey in the Images directory in our resource pack. And I'm going to click Upload. Now in the previous example, we didn't go through the additional inputs here, but this allows us to add an alt attribute and a title attribute to the image. So let's go ahead and call this Joey Smitty Photo, and we'll make that the title as well. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and click Save. And if we want to view this, we can go ahead and click on Joey Smitty in the filtered results here. And we have our black and white image that's resized to the dimensions that we were looking for. Okay, let's go ahead and edit the third guide. All right, we're still filtered by guide. I'm going to click on Kate Zanzerblath to view the page. Okay, we don't have the image yet. I'm going to click on Edit in the tab. And I'm going to scroll down to the image field. I'm going to browse for Kate's picture, which is also in the Images folder in the Resource directory. I'll upload. And then I'm going to scroll up and grab her name, since it's a little bit hard to spell, and I'm going to copy it. And I'm going to paste it in the alternate text input and add photo to it. Then I'm going to copy that entire text and paste it into the title. And then I'm going to click Save. Now we have our black and white image with Kate as well.